Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert text box in Google Docs document. So friends, if you want to insert text box in Google document, so firstly click on insert, then hover cursor to drawing and click on new. Now friends, in here you will find option text box, so click on it and draw your text box. Now type as your requirement. In here friends, you can change and customize as your need. Like you can change the border color, you can change border size, and also friends, you can change fill color. Now after customize, click on save and close. And friends, still you need to change, so double click on it. So this drawing window will open. Now if you want to transparent this box, so here is the option, click on fill color and select transparent. Click on save and close. That's it. So friends, by this easy and simple method we can insert text box in Google Docs document. Hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more useful videos. And friends, also comment this video useful for you or not.